Hey tubers, Jeff here. In Lewiston, Lisbon Street. And the old Cathay Hut, they tore it down today. Not even a shell of his former self. That's amazing. I didn't think the building was that bad. Maybe they're going to build something else there or something. I don't know. The sign is still up, so I figured I'd get a picture of it. So I got a picture of it. And I'm going to do a video of it before they eventually tear that sign down. Yep. That's kind of a shame. I've been in there quite a few times. Good food. But it's all gone now. So yeah, just a quick video of it. Like I said, I'm in Lewiston on Lisbon Street. Yeah. Later.